Hello everyone, and thanks for joining. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of deleting a saved credit card from Google Chrome on your mobile device. Whether you want to update your payment info or enhance your privacy, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Payment Methods. Find the credit card you want to delete and tap on it. Next, tap the trash icon at the top right corner of the screen. Finally, confirm your action by tapping Delete. Your credit card will now be removed from Chrome. That's all there is to it. Removing your saved credit card in Google Chrome Mobile is quick and straightforward. If this video helped, please consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.